2019 Lexus ES 300H Ultra Luxury 4-door sedan. First thing first, mount the sensors. Make sure it's on the tread. Make sure it doesn't move. Make sure it's on the tread. Make sure it's not moving. Chuck the wheels with the other chalk. Make sure you go in the right position of this car. Some alignment machines are different. See on the tread. Make sure it's not moving. Grab your scanner. Find the barcode. Make sure you charge the scanner. Okay, what size I need? See what size, the 18. Do your rolling compensation. Release the pins on both sides. Use your homemade brake compressor. Make sure the pins are out. Get in the car, start the engine. Well, it's a hybrid. I don't think I started. I guess you gotta put it in park. There you go. See, the one says ready. Make sure the steering wheel looks straight. It looks straight. Look good enough for me. Okay. I don't want to look at the 3D. I want to look at my 2D graph. Turn off the headlight. I do need to jack it up. Maybe I need to put this in. Nah, I'll jack this up. But this is the front one. I gotta start the rear first. Camber, does it have adjustment? I don't think nah, this one doesn't have rear camber. So there's no adjustment on the rear camber. It should be adjustment on the rear toe. So you hit the wrench tool icon, hit tools and kits. Takes 22 millimeter, 19 millimeter. Go to illustration will show your picture where to adjust on the low control arm. 22 and 19. Since I'm on the rear side right here, there's no adjustment on the camber. There is adjustment on the toe, so I'm just on the right side. That's for this one. Okay, and then go this way. That's perfect. Make sure you hold it. Which I'm going? The other way. Righty tighty. Let's see. Left side should be good now. I don't need to adjust it. Now I'll go on the front side. Should I adjust the camber on the front? I'm trying to decide. I'm going to try put this left camber, you know, down. So what I need. $22.22. Let's see. I need to move the left side. If I'm wrong, maybe need to redo it again. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're on there tight. I'm not gonna worry about it. You're on there tight. I was gonna do the two toes on the front. Let's see. Illustration, I already know that. I need a 15, 22, 21. $15, $21, $22. Let's see when I need to go to adjust toe window on the right sidebar. Get ready. As soon as that, they replace the both axles, low control arms. Can't find a spot this low. Make sure you break that jam nut in order to adjust. I'm going the wrong way. Come on. There we go. Now I need to tighten the jam nuts. When I tighten the jam nut, the inner tire will move a little bit. Yeah, you see that? It moved. Should be good. Doesn't have to be exactly zero. Yeah, 0.2, you should be good enough. I'm good with that. Now I'm going on the left side. Uh-oh. Gravity. These type of car are easy to line. Long way. Make sure you keep enough room to turn. Walk it. Uh-oh, I lost my spot. There we go. Now, tighten the jam nuts. That was good. Hit ready. Since I adjust the front toe, the steering wheel will move a little bit. Now make sure to double check if the steering wheel is straight. Now swing your steering wheel left and right and make sure it's straight. I'm trying to eyeball it. It's not that easy. It looks straight. Powering down. I'm a bit off. Let's try again. Just a little bit. Of course. I have to put this on neutral.